1972. After that, when he visited first time to King Birendra, there was nothing in Lumbini, so he promised to develop the Lumbini with the help of his prophet, his master. He got the idea to develop the Lumbini. So whatever you see, the Lumbini, the master plan is designed by one Japanese monk and with Dr. Lam. So he's welcome here. And somehow every year when we have a visit, a long tour visit, especially the 10th grade student, when they go for the Lumbini, we stay 1 or 2 nights at Vietnam Monastery and we pray there, we do meditation. And if you are lucky, sometimes you get the good chanting, good mantras from the Guruji also. So I met him 12 years ago. Before I started his school, I met him, Dr. Lam. So from that onwards, we are very close, and always I get blessing from Guruji. Well, the first time when he visited the Nepal, there was no roadway. He has to come from India. You cannot imagine how struggle he has done. He has no money, he has no house. One in a small plastic tent. He lived for 3 years without water, without food. Just committed. One day I have to develop the Lumbini. So his devotion, his commitment, now you can see the Lumbini is developed. Just 2 years before, he visited to Russia and he made the delegates from the Russia and he requested Russian people to make the monastery. Now this is under construction. So now I do not know, everybody's face looks like the same, the Vietnam people and some Nepali people, Tamang, the Upper Mustang, Tamang, Rai, Limbus, looks like similar. Yeah. And among these friends, I think some of are the very highly dedicated persons. Some ministers also are here, according to the Guruji, and some mayor also here. But personally, I do not know them. Maybe he hasn't introduced me. So, what Guruji wants in the coming Buddha Purnima, children are requested to make their painting, write the poem, write the verses. You can write an essay. You can write whatever you have creation. Yes. So he wants you to do those things for the Buddha Purnima, and he will distribute some surprise gift to the winner. Yeah, Guruji. So maybe I would like to hand over this microphone to Guruji, and I request Guruji to speak few words about the gardening, or maybe your plan if in future if possible.
Namaste. Neka Nepali Alikati. So thoda Hindi. Nepali Alikati. Nepali. Thus I speak few words in English. Then the principal Uday translate into Nepali.
No problem, Guruji, understand.
You are very lucky. Why? Because you was born in Nepal, where Buddha was born, Lumbini. So Buddha from Lumbini, he was born, he the messenger of peace. So I wish Nepal should be the meeting place for world of peace. Then I knew when I come to Lumbini, there's no monastery. Then I make a wish, we should do something for the Holy Land. With the time past, so many difficulties, now we have 36 countries. So I also very happy to meet the Principal Uday. Then we have good contact. Then whenever the student of Eminent School have the holiday, they can go to Lumbini and stay in Vietnam Temple. So now, today I'm very happy here. I very much to meet all of you and my best wishes. And I wish this school become international school and many students from the world should come here to study good things from Nepal. Thank you. And then another thing, I would like to request the principal divide your school in the 3 groups. Then we offer every 3 groups a little money. Then you collect the flower of the tree to plant here. Then after a few months I come back here. then I see, then I will be aware. And secondly, and I think now pretty much very short time, maybe next one, only 3 weeks short time. So they should one about the painting, one about the article writing, one the poem, and then for next year, because 3 weeks is very short time. Okay, you talk in
Okay, now once again we welcome our Vietnamese team and thank you Guruji for your wishes and help to our students. We hope that one day, as your wish, they can be the leader in different places, field. Like someone can be the leader in politics, someone can be the good teacher, someone can be the manager, lawyer, doctor, and someone can be the good painter, dancer, singer, whatever. According to your wish, I think our Guruji's blessing all will go to you. We hope your good future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And from the Vietnam side, we would like to give some sweets to the children. Also, teachers will help. Or you can give the sweets to the children.
Con có trẻ không?